All right, welcome back. Now we're going to talk about parallel lines and perpendicular lines and the slopes. So when we look at parallel lines by definition are lines that never intersect. So in order to never intersect as the lines go off in both directions to infinity, they must have the same slope. Okay? So parallel lines means that both slopes must be equal. Okay? So if you have two lines or three lines or four lines where all the slopes are the same, they are all parallel. Okay? Now, what about perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at right angles. If you have perpendicular lines, then what must be true is that one slope is going to be the negative reciprocal of the other slope. So if you have perpendicular lines, then you know that this must be true, that the slopes must be negative reciprocals of each other. And vice versa. If you find that two slopes are negative reciprocals of each other, then you know that those two lines must be perpendicular. And again, same thing with parallel lines. If lines are parallel, then you know that their slopes must be equal. If you find the two slopes of two lines are equal, then you know that they must be parallel. And that is what we're going to use to determine whether lines are parallel or perpendicular, or neither.